All right, let's see what we got here. Let's go ahead and rip this one up out of the box. I got that tape on there. All right, this is a little device that I bought off of Amazon. Now, I hope that this is going to be inside the Amazon US store. It's definitely inside of Amazon Japan. But this is a thing that you could put underneath your cup holder or your bottle holder on your bicycle. So it's hidden underneath that so that nobody knows that you have it, right? And you can use this to track your bicycle with in case somebody was or were to steal your bike. It comes with 2 additional screws, long link screws for screwing this inside of your bottle holding rack. And it comes with a plastic piece here, right? And it has the brand name on there. WEBCAM, right? That's what it says. You're just going to go ahead and you're going to stick. You pop this open, you pop it apart. You're going to go ahead and you're going to stick your Apple AirTag inside of there. Put this cover back on. And you screw this to your bicycle. But of course your drink holder is going to be on top of this, so it's not going to be, it's going to be very discreet is what I want to say. So the thief, the theoretical thief that's going to take your bike, they're not even going to really know that this has been attached to your bicycle, which is the beauty of it. You want to keep things hidden. Now inside the next room over, I did buy a bicycle bell that has a little port where you could stick your Apple AirTag. But with that, you know, it's a little bit more, it's not as discreet, it's not as well hidden. You know, it has this little lump at the bottom that somebody might be suspect that there might be an Apple AirTag inside of. Maybe, maybe not. But this one is even more discreet than that, which is the whole reason why I love it. So I highly recommend this. I already have it on one bike, and I'm getting ready to put this one on my secondary bike as soon as this video is over. So it gets my go. All right, I would like to thank you guys for watching this review over the WEBCAM Apple AirTag holder for your bicycle. And make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button if you found this video helpful, because there's more on the way in the future. I'll see you guys in the next one, and until next time, peace.